At Jota Advanced Engineering, our CAD CAM software allows us to produce high-quality, complex components using state-of-the-art technology. Our software has the capabilities of allowing us to use multi-axis machining, 5-axis simultaneous machining, as well as mill turning. Within the software, we can fully simulate the job. This means we can guarantee high accuracy and professional quality work with every job we carry out.